how to fix Aetna portal login error repeatedly. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your aetna.com, or you can use the application version, whatever. You can use whatever you want. You can simply tap on login and simply log into your account using all of your credentials, right? So in here, the very first thing you want to do is simply disable your autofill. Manually type the user credentials instead of relying on browser in order to autofill, and then see if that helped or not. So if that did not help, then you can try to check your registration status. You can ensure your annual registration or employer group updates are fully completed. After doing all of that, if that still did not help, then the very last thing that you need to do is try to contact your Aetna web support. You can actually call that number for their portal credential unlocking. You can get that very easy online. So simply do that. I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix the Aetna portal login error repeatedly. So that's it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.